Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers, and today we're going to be working in Word 2016 SmartArt. Let's get started. We're in a blank document. We're going to click on our Insert tab, SmartArt, and we're going to choose a SmartArt graphic. We're going to go to List, and we're going to select Vertical Box List. Click OK. We're going to add text. We can either add it through our SmartArt graphic or we can add through our text pane. Let's click on text pane. I'm going to add in my entries. This is going to be on the first level. I'm going to type in primary colors. I want my next entry to be at level 2, so I'm going to click on demote. Type in my entry, hit my enter key, type my next entry, click on my next level 1, type in my second heading, hit my enter key, click on demote, or I could either use my tab key to take it to the next level 2. Hit my enter key, type in my next entry, okay, and I realize now that green should be before violet, so I'm going to move up. I also realize that I've left out one of my primary colors. I'm going to click on my heading, primary colors, and then add shape. I'm going to also click on demote and type in my last entry. All right. I'm going to also click on my Format tab and see what options I have. I can change the shape style by just hovering over. I can change my shape fill to another color. Outline, if I would like to outline my shape. I can change my shape effects. My text fill, if I'd like to change the color of my text, I can do that as well. Highlight it, and it changes my whole color of my text to another color. Let's go back to our Design tab. We also have the choice of text effects. I want to change the color. I can hover over and you can see the color change. I'm going to change it to colorful range accent colors 2 to 3. I also can change my SmartArt styles. And you can see when I hover over, it changes the style. I can also change my layout to another layout. I can change it to a different type of layout that I didn't select. I can also change this layout that I currently have. Horizontal bullets. I can change my layout to various settings. I'm going to check the vertical bracket list. Now we have completed our SmartArt. Let's review what we just learned. First, you want to select the SmartArt graphic that you desire. You can type inside the graphic, or you can use the SmartArt graphic task pane. You can also utilize the SmartArt tools, design, or the format tab to adjust your style, color, text, or other available settings. Hopefully this will help you the next time you need to use SmartArt graphics.